EDsnaps is short for Educational Snapshots. Our mission is to increase diversity in the STEM workforce. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics.
What I want you guys to do now.
We work with a vision. Our vision is to inspire and empower underserved female-identifying students to become exceptional global STEM community leaders. We offer them unique hands-on experiences and exposure to real-world snapshots. EDsnaps invites speakers for a question and answer session about their career. We invite presenters to give a hands-on workshop about a specific STEM subject, or we can also have a field trip to explore a real-life work environment. After-school middle and high school students from New Settlement Community Center and Marble Hill School for International Studies joined EDsnaps on a field trip to the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai. Our hosts were Dr. Yasmin Hurd and William Janssen. Dr. Hurd is a professor of neuroscience, psychiatry, and pharmacology and systems therapeutics.
It's sturdier than Jell-O. I'm trying to think of what's a good, a fresh brain. It's definitely sturdier than Jell-O. It's not like that, but you could easily push your finger in it, through it. So it's that kind of softness, but that's why we have the skull, this bone, here to protect our brain.
She studies addiction in people and animal models. Bill Janssen, a senior scientist at the Microscopy Core and Advanced Bioimaging Center, took us on a journey to microscopy land.
Where are the eyes? The eyes are right here, right?
We learned how brain structures could be affected by diseases, how our brains can age in a healthy manner, how different microscopes can help scientists to develop their research design. Our students were given the unique opportunity to touch and hold a real New World primate and human brain. They were able to take the driver's seat at different electron microscopy units, and they took some amazing electron microscopic pictures. EDsnaps encourages students to explore career opportunities by showing them a diverse workforce and connecting them with role models. These experiences will contribute to inspire and empower underserved female-identifying students to become exceptional global STEM community leaders.